In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a video in CapCut PC. If you need to quickly remove background noise or silence the original audio from a video clip so you can add a clean voiceover or music track, CapCut makes this very simple. There are two easy ways to do it, depending on whether you want to mute an entire track or just one specific clip. First, let's look at how to silence a full editing lane at once. Move your mouse down to the timeline and go all the way to the far left side of the editing grid. In the track header area for your video track, you'll see a small speaker icon next to the track label. This is the master audio toggle for that lane, and it controls the sound for everything placed on that track. To mute the whole track, click the speaker icon once. As soon as you do that, the icon changes to show that the audio is turned off. You should also notice that the blue audio waveforms under your video clips become grey. That visual change is helpful because it confirms the entire track has been silenced. If you have several clips on that same lane, this method is the fastest option because it mutes all of them at the same time. Now let's say you do not want to mute the whole lane. Maybe you only want to silence one clip while keeping the rest of the track exactly as it is. In that case, click once on the specific video clip you want to mute in the timeline. After selecting it, look up to the top right Properties panel, open the Main Audio tab, then find the volume slider near the top of that panel. Drag the volume control all the way to the left until it shows -infinity decibels. That setting completely mutes only the selected clip. The rest of the clips on your track will stay unchanged, which is especially useful if you want to remove audio from just one section without affecting everything else in your project. So to quickly recap, if you want to mute an entire track, use the speaker toggle on the left side of the timeline. If you want to mute only one clip, select the clip, open the audio settings on the right, and lower the volume to -infinity decibels. That's it, you're all set, and your video audio is now muted exactly the way you want in CapCut on PC.